I used Tableau to interpret data from two different studies. The first data set I used was from a survey conducted at the Boys and Girls Club in Chester in 2016. The survey asked respondents to rank on their level of satisfaction with attributes such as adult care, youth treating each other well, and learning new things. They also commented what they liked the most and the least at the club. I first maintained and slightly modified the data by adding a surrogate key, eliminating null values, inserting an overall score column, and this first graph is a bar chart which compares the sum of each of the categories combined and what they like best at the club. Certain features in Tableau, when applied, allow you to hover over parts of the graph and see specific information about the data. The next graph I created measured the average score given by each age. For simplicity, I analyzed the same number of respondents for each age. Also, since there was a very small number of parents which also responded to the survey, I grouped them together with a general age of 40. This graph allows you to look for trends and patterns in the data. It shows that 12 and 14-year-olds gave the Boys and Girls Club the lowest average score. This final chart visualizes the favorite parts of the club for each of the kids. It shows that friends and playing were some of the most popular responses. Again, this data is simplified for the simplicity of this study. The next data set I used was on U.S. bullying data by state. The attributes are different rankings, including overall rank, bullying prevalence in state rank, and others, with state being the primary key. This first chart is one of the cooler graphs that can be generated in Tableau, if you have the right type of data. This map shows each of the states in the study and where they rank overall in bullying levels. The states shaded in the darkest red indicate the highest levels of bullying, where the states shaded in darker blue were the lowest levels. For example, Michigan ranks number 1 and Pennsylvania ranked number 20 overall. The next chart shows the overall rank of the states compared to their rank of anti-bullying levels. This graphic can be used to see if the states with the highest rates for bullying were also ranked poorly for anti-bullying laws. Lastly, this comprehensive sheet shows each state and where they fell in each of the individual rankings so they can be visually compared next to each other. For example, Alabama has many anti-bullying laws, but ranks somewhere in the middle in terms of prevalence. This is a simple way to visualize data and can be used to take steps in resolving issues with bullying and improving upon things at the Boys and Girls Club.